What happens when you get diverse talent? What happens when you get the model with curly hair, the older woman with thinning hair or gray hair, somebody with very coarse hair, somebody with very straight hair?
There were so many things they didn't teach us in cosmetology schools. They just simply were not diverse. They didn't teach us how to style all hair textures. They didn't teach us how to work with different genders. And they certainly did not teach us about different things that we could do in the beauty industry, you know? I never heard of doing photo shoots, working with celebrities, being in front of the camera, teaching on stage. Had no idea.
The more people that you are around, the more likely your opportunities, the more likely they are to mentor you, to sponsor you, to teach you lessons you were not able to learn in cosmetology. The more likely they are to introduce you to hiring and decision makers.
I had my own online hairstyling academy called the Monae Life Academy, and it's made to make sure people understand how styling all forms of hair textures can open so many doors for you, especially in the photographic world.